When West Cap say
or
I'm guys
this
not
is
can
just
do it.
happenstance?
Yeah, I would put down the US's outperformance to three things. And the first is just, one would be structural characteristics, and that's more flexible labor market, highly developed capital markets, culture of innovation, rule of law, all the things that
All right.
make this. And
I might get into a call.
Industry, other countries are trying to do early stage financing out of banks. That's not going to work. So all of those things make us account for, 40 years of productivity. That's double Europe's productivity. It increases. So that's thing one. Thing two is just population. We had a big population increase in 22 and 23. And that doesn't help with per capita, but that moves top line. And what was the third thing? Oh, productivity. So we had a really significant burst in productivity, and from a range of
They buying the
factors, you can never tell
275.
exactly where it's coming
Where?
from. Some of those factors
Capaz
suggest,
dele.
this gets to your last question.
This on been
Suggest
million,
that
mula done.
productivity will be kind of a one-time event. So, people were wound up automating a lot of functions in retail. That may just be a one-time thing.
Men mwen ap achete spy an pil la, wè sak pase?
On the other hand, might give us years and years.
Tade misye, la pale.
So there are a whole bunch of other things. And so we don't really know how long this burst in productivity will be sustained. But I think I never expected to see productivity this high for this long. And our staff is marking up their estimates of potential growth for now and taking some signal about the future.
Kunya li nan key level.
Population
Okay.
going forward, but productivity.
Li nan key level kunya.
has
La
been
teste
really
key level
strong.
sa. 572.
Raise at
S'il
least
pa pe dil,
relatively
la
near
monte al
term
cheke
the level of
575, 574.
That's good.
Okay, 30 years of teaching Booth students, I've learned you
Okay.
have to end these things with a fun question. So who's your favorite central banker? And I'll
Mais à combien de stades de jeu? À combien de
Anybody
stades matin?
who's on the board while you've been there.
Hold on.
Fine.
Well, we did see the year.
Kat la jambe bullish.
Yeah, so I'm gade se bullish yo ti bon way. Tout an pa retire sa de yo, moko kwe la dan. Sa, 70, sa, and you need to take out the open high. You need to take out the open high. Okay, the open high, c'est ça qui mou dem li very bullish. So tout an pa retire 574 or 576, moko kwen se yo.
Yeah.
So right now, it ka jwe, et puis là, it's la bon now. Gen un peu moun gen kap achete parce que mak la tellement bas. So right now, I see take out those numbers.
From the president on tariffs after he came into office. So people are very sensitive to that, and that this is not the pre-COVID era. People are used to inflation now, and so they're perhaps more sensitive to the fact that it could jump up again.
Am I considering the Fed's dual mandate?